Hey guys, welcome to Beautiful Within. So I have been extremely late in shooting my June favorites also, just like my May favorites. But as I said before, better late than never, so I'll start right away. Just a disclaimer, I have no makeup favorites for June, no new makeup which I tried, which I liked or something of that sort. So there's nothing like that. If you're in the mood of watching makeup, please don't watch it. It's more of skincare and more of lifestyle kind of a favorite. The first favorite that I have is the Nyasa Coffee Cocoa Butter Scrub. This is a body scrub from Nyasa. The flavor is tiramisu, but it's mostly a coffee scrub. I have anyways told you that I love the Neemly Naturals coffee scrub. It was superb. And please ignore the noise at the background. It's off in aircraft. So the tiramisu body scrub was superb, and I tried Neemly also. I would really recommend you to try a coffee scrub if you have dry skin. Not only does it makes my skin smooth, it also helped me with the problem of ingrowth of hair, ingrown hair, which I had a little bit on my legs. So it really helped there. The second favorite is the Hera hair perfume, which I got in my Envy box. Now I have been using it on my hair just after washing, and it really makes my hair smell good. There has been no problem in dryness or any kind of texture difference in my hair, but it really gives my the hair a very good soothing oud kind of a smell, which is why I love it. I guess I'll purchase a full size bottle also of it. Third thing that I love is the SOS Vanilla Lip Balm. I don't know why it was kept in my vanity for so long and I did not start using it. I started using it like in June, sometime in June, and I used to use it, keep it on my bedside and use it. And I don't know, I had some bit of dry chapped lips and Palmer's were working good, but after applying it in the night, it gave such good effect. Like my lips now have no lip problem, and this is made only of essential oils and beeswax, and it's completely natural. So this is something which is really worth giving a try. The fourth thing that I have is a tea. So this is the Organic India Tulsi green tea. I have been using tea bags also of this brand. They have masala tea, they have all kinds of green tea and black tea and whatnot kind of a tea, some tea as well. It has helped me in more ways than one. Firstly, it has helped me clear my skin a little. Then it has helped me increase my metabolism also. And thirdly, I used to have a problem that I used to drink too much of tea. So I used to have around 4 cups of tea a day. Now I've started having 2 cups of green tea and 2 cups of the regular sugary milky tea, and this is really helping. Like just after a long day, if you have this tea, it just helps so much in stress relieving. One day I was having a headache and I used this and I was sorted for the day, for the rest of the night rather. So I would really recommend all of you to try Organic India Tulsi green tea. Please do try it. And the fifth favorite, not too many favorites this June, is What Got You Here Won't Get You There by Malcolm Gladwell. I started reading this book in June. I finished it in June as well. I don't know why it was lying on my bookshelf for so long, because I should have read this much before. This is going to motivate you in your life so much. I mean, this has motivated me. Like at times you feel that you're getting stagnated, or what else to do in life, or what the extra mile that you need to go in life for more success. This book is going to help you achieve that. I won't say, of course, a book cannot help you achieve that. You have to work hard for it, but it will definitely motivate you to do that. I would surely recommend all of you to buy this or get this from the library and read it. Or, of course, take it on Kindle and read it. It's not very expensive also, $2.99 for the original copy. No, I'm not promoting anything. Please buy original copies or from Kindle. So these were my June favorites. Hope you liked watching my June favorites. If yes, do like, comment and subscribe. And until next time, thank you very much for watching. Bye.